So I'm putting this thing back together so I can shove it in a corner and out of my way. But I like head studs. ARP does not make a head stud kit for this engine. If you measure it all out and you buy all the studs and nuts and washer separately, it's like 240 bucks. A stud kit for a 302, it's like 125 bucks. So what I did was, I took some measurements of stuff. I bought a stud kit for a 302. But it comes with I think it's 10 long bolts and 10 short bolts, right? Well, this short bolt is too long for a Y block. So I bought these separately. About that much of a difference. I'm going to thread both of these in and see what's what. Now, the Y block, if you don't know, at least in the later years, the first series of this didn't have that. The outside two holes are the deepest. And then these ones are like a medium length bolt, and then these are all short length bolt. So I took the long rod out of the 302 kit, I hand threaded it into here, and I just hand threaded that nut on there. There's no torque on it. So might be a smidge short for these outer ones, but I'll take it. Those inner ones should be golden. I'm going to toss a 302 stud in here, and then the shorter studs I bought, and see what that looks like. All right, I got these threaded in with the help of an Allen wrench. I just bottomed out. So these are the ones that I bought, and these are the 302 studs, but I think we're pretty close to the end of those threads. I'm going to thread this out a couple turns. All right, so this is threading it out 2 full turns. You can see I'm not really comfortable with how close that is because I'm going to be using thinner head gaskets in this too. Let me turn the other one out too and then see what it looks like. This one 2 turns out, still all thread. So if you're going to build a Y block, you could probably get away with just buying a 302 head stud kit if you want to head stud it. If you're okay with how close that is. If you're using thicker gaskets, it probably don't matter. But I can't remember what length these were. You're gonna have to look up whatever the 302 kit comes with. And then those ones, fuck it, I'll measure them. All right, we're zeroed out. It's a long one. Not that it matters, but might as well measure them all. We got bigger. About 5 inches. The short stud that comes in the 302 kit, .3 inches. I'm pretty sure the one I bought separate is 3 inches. Yeah, 3 inches. Just for the hell of it. The nut, .43. These washers I think are 12 thousandths. Probably .12. So now you know that if you're going to stud a Y block, you can use the 302 kit, probably the whole thing if you're comfortable with that one being longer. But I have less in the 302 kit and 10 of these studs than it would cost me to buy all these studs, nuts, and washers separate, specifically sized for the Y block. And I have 10 extra studs left over for other shit. So I'm gonna call that a win. I've been wondering if this was gonna work because I ordered this stuff a while ago and I haven't checked it. But figure since I'm putting this thing back together, I'll just put the shit in there and see what it looks like. So I'm pretty happy with the way that worked out. So stay tuned for more shit.